Budol na naman. Budol na naman tayo.
Oh, ginusto mo yan eh. Nagpasarap.
Ngayong araw, i-unbox natin at reviewin ang aking bagong keyboard na RAKK PIRAH.
Warranty. Easy peasy. Galing sa Easy peasy. Sobrang well wrapped to. Sana lang walang baliko na pins. Baka mahiwa pa ako. Sarap ko na. Ito yung switches and the keyboard. Kapalanasan na natin to. Okay, so ito na nga ang RAKK PIRAH Compact Mechanical Keyboard. Ito yung mga switches. I believe yung switch ko is kail. Hindi ko naman din alam kung bakit ito yung pinili ko. During the time na pinipili ko yung switches, parang ito yung closest dun sa blue switch that I like. So I hope I'm right. Buksan na natin. Ayan. Instruction manual. Labas na natin yung yan, ganda ng base. Hindi ko na ito tear down. Hindi naman tayo technical masyado. Swak Levi's. Nasa ilalim yung keycaps. Ayan. Labas na natin para meron tayong keycap puller. And I assume nandito yung cord. Ayan. We have the white cord right here. Type C. So, time-lapse lang natin yung pagbuo. Alright, so nabuo na natin yung mga switches. Time to put the keycaps on. And meron pa tayong sobrang tatlo. Ayan. So, at least may extra kang tatlo, di ba? Of course, hindi naman natin expect na masira kagad. No? Pero, at least may pamalit tayo kahit pa paano. So, kabit na natin yung keycaps. Okay, so tapos na natin buuin yung keycaps. Nakabit na natin lahat. Check nga natin kung tama yung pagkakalagay ko. Baka may sablay. Mukhang good naman lahat. Right? I think we're good. First impressions. High quality yung keycaps. They look really nice compared to mga previous keyboards ko. They look and they feel high quality. It's built very well para do sa price na binayaran ko. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung likod. So, you have the switch here kung gagamitin mo yung Bluetooth capabilities niya. Ako, I'd rather use the wires. May risers siya. I think they're 2-step risers. Usually use the risers kasi gusto ko medyo angled yung orientation ng keyboard ko. Overall, first impression, I think is really a Swackly recommendation. Para sa presyo niya, bang for the buck, goodbye ang RAKK PIRAH. So, test ko lang kung maayos yung pagkakabit ko, baka may mali eh.
So, out with the old, linis konti, and in with the new. Yes, sir. So, preview nung LED backlight ng ating RAKK PIRAH. It's really customizable. Marami siyang different colors you can choose from. You can download their software from the website. Tapos, you can fully customize your keyboard from their keys, from every key pwede mo i-program. Yung lighting, there's a lot of different options and all the colors you can choose, whether it's static or you want to blend some colors. You can also turn on and off yung gaming mode para hindi mo napipindot yung Windows keys kapag naglalaro ka ng mga FPS games. Ang galing, di ba?
Overall, I think this keyboard is really good for its price. You get Bluetooth capabilities, you get a really good build. I did not break it down, hindi man ako masyadong technical. But the feel, the experience, the build, the quality is awesome for its price. So if you're looking for a keyboard na tatagal sa'yo, magagamit mo mabuti, you can use it wirelessly or with the wire, RAKK PIRah is a good choice. If okay sa'yo yung ganitong 68 keys lang na keyboard, awesome ba ito? So you can eventually change the keycaps if you want it to look more customized to your liking. Overall, I would really suggest you get this one if you are in the market for a keyboard. Swackling. Okay, that's it for the video, guys. If you wanna check it out, there's a link down below. Full disclosure, it's an affiliate link. Pag clinic nyo yun, meron akong maliit na kita. It helps the channel.
Peace lang, ha?
Okay, para I can make more videos like this one. And marami pa akong ibang pwedeng i-review na swackly lang yung presyo para sa ating mga simpleng mamamayan ng Pilipinas. Please subscribe. It also helps if you press the like button para naman si YouTube ay recommend tayo sa ibang tao na naghahanap ng keyboard. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next video.